So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about angel broking share. So we know that the quarter 2 result of angel broking was declared. So we'll discuss about that, and also we'll see today's movement. So almost 13% positive movement was seen in this particular stock. So we'll try to do the volume analysis, and also we'll try to see the next possible levels. So about angel broking, so people are regularly following. So we have discussed almost 3 weeks back, because many people were in panic situation regarding angel broking, because many of them got the allotment and we know that it was listed in a discount price. So we discussed that don't book any loss because it may show recovery, because the results as usual, as we discussed, will be turning out to be positive, because this is a broking website. So broking doesn't make any time much loss. Always quarter on quarter we see positive results. So especially during this period of time where many demat accounts are being opened, and also when the client base has been increasing on regular basis. So we discussed why to book losses. So definitely you can hold it for a certain period of time, and after that you can exit. So competition is present, so that is for sure that it may or may not sustain in the future, but for short term definitely you can hold, so that your entire losses so that you have occurred will be recovered. Okay, so hope I'm clear. So now we'll go to the volume analysis, and we'll see on day-to-day basis how the volume was changing. So when we see the quarter 2 result of angel broking, so you can see the company has reported a profit of almost 74.5 crore in quarter 2 against 19.2 crore. You can see the revenue has jumped almost to rupees 309 crore from 171.8 year on year. So there is a comparison on basis of year on year. So we are seeing a tremendous increasing. So as usual, angel brokering, we have seen the client base, as we discussed in earlier videos as well, it was increasing. So that was the one of the main reason that whenever client base increases, of course, the number of people who are doing the trading as well as investing, the brokerage charges will be increasing on day-to-day basis. So that is what has happened. So especially for brokering firm, you need to understand one thing, that competition is only the one factor, but financials never decrease. So unless and until one-sided business comes, till that time we can't judge any broking company that its financials may decrease. So this also you need to understand. So that's why never ever always exit in losses. So wait patiently, hold it for a certain period of time. So for long term perspective, it may or may not be going that well, but for short term you need to see even the loss that you have occurred after the IPO has been listed. So little downfall was there, but later it has respected the levels even when the market has shown some correction. So when we see the overall shareholding pattern, so shareholding pattern we have not discussed in our earlier videos as well. So if you see overall shareholding, so you can see 44% is present with the promoter, and next if you see mutual fund houses are having almost 7%, and FIIs are also having marginal holding, and if you see public is having almost 42.4% is present with general public. So you can see almost promoter and public are having equal holding, and also mutual funds have shown some interest of almost 7%. Okay, so when we have seen the recently listed IPOs, we have not seen much attraction. So many of the IPOs have not given that great returns, but when we see the mutual fund houses buying, so we know that even in the angel brokering along with CAMS as well as UTI AMC, we have seen buying by the mutual fund houses. So when prices are low, definitely they will try to grab the opportunity at the low levels. So when we see the volume analysis, so clearly on 26th October, so you can see almost a combined deliverable percentage quantity, you can see it was near 32%. And if you compare on weekly as well as monthly averages, so clearly you can see little bit of traded quantity was present. That is the profit booking, not the profit. So many retailers also, they have exited from the loss positions only. So don't know why. And trading was seen. So many people have bought at low levels. Again, they're exiting at high level. So this was the activities that were observed in it. So when the quarter 2 results have been reported to be positive, so now again the buying is seen. So you can see currently almost 13 to 14% positive movement is seen in the stock, even though the market has today remained almost flat, movement is present. So if you see the current market price of angel brokering, so you can see currently it's near 282.85, and if you see today's low as well as high, so you can see today's low was almost 267 and today's high was almost 288.40. Okay, so huge fluctuation is not there, nominal fluctuation is present. So opening itself some momentum was seen. So you can see, if you see the market depth, so you can see almost we can say 50% buying as well as selling is visible. So results year on year increase is there, but you need to understand buying at these particular levels also might be little risky both for the long term as well as short term. So when we discussed about angel brokering, I think it was near 260 or 258. So in that particular levels or in that particular region it was trading. So now if you're investing, if you're risk taker only, you can invest, because as usual the major disadvantages is the competition as well as the survival in the industry. So financials wise, you may see good financials, but will it able to sustain that in the coming future is only one big question for this particular company. So major mutual fund houses buying is not seen, only minor we can say small mutual fund houses have picked up this particular stock when it has shown the correction. Okay, so now we'll see technical charts. So nothing much to discuss, just we'll see the candle chart patterns and we'll try to see how the price action movement was present for the company. So when we see the 1-day chart, okay, so this is the 1-day chart. So 1-day chart, clearly you can see the stock without any much volatility, it was moving in a soft manner, but today we have seen some gap up opening. So opening itself 260 above, so later it has started showing some more momentum. So we can wait patiently, since the market is also in little bit of bearish sentiment, so it may further if market corrects, we may see a little bit of more restriction may be present. But if it is restricting that as well and it is showing positive movement, then definitely some good buying is seen from the bottom, so that you need to understand. So you can wait patiently. So we know the listing was 305, 304, so many people are still holding this particular stock, so definitely hold it. So don't do any selling. So if you want to have a fresh investment, that may be a little risky, but I'm not suggesting you to do that. So if you want to, you can invest almost 10 to 15 shares for your just for your satisfaction that you want to invest in this particular stock. Okay, returns might be nominal, so nothing great returns we can expect. So many people have bought the allotment as well, are still facing the loss, so nothing to panic. It may take some time, but it may recover as well, so you need to remember this. So hope everything is clear regarding angel broking. So you have seen the quarter results and also shareholding pattern, so which we have not discussed in earlier videos. So everything is completed. So last videos also we have discussed the fundamentals. So if you like the video, definitely like it, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel. So until then, take care, bye bye.